Buried dinner. Buried dinner. A good number of us see cats as pets, but in Vietnam, they're served as dinner. The consumption of cats is illegal in the country, but the practice of frying and barbecuing them continues. In February 2015, thousands of seized cats brought in from China to end up as dinner were buried alive. Out of all the ways of dying, being buried alive may be one of the most frightening and painful. Even being dinner sounds more appetizing. The cats, who were crammed in a truck from China to northern Vietnam, were killed because they posed a threat to wildlife if left feral. However, surely some of the cats could have been adopted, and the government should have chosen a more humane way to kill them. The Vietnamese police seized the animals to prevent them from the cruel fate of becoming dinner, but they ended up in the grave anyway.
Yeah.